We had spray foam insulation applied yesterday. Our contractor suggested that we should be out of the house for this. A lot of gases are emitted during the application and the curing process, and he thought it'd be healthier for us if we weren't here. We went to a hotel about midday yesterday, spent overnight, and we're back in the house now, and I'll show you what they've done. They've applied foam to the exterior wall from one end to the other, from the bottom to the top, and they've followed the pipe for the range hood across the ceiling, and that's about the extent. They've done a good job of getting it into the nooks and crannies. They filled in these bulkheads up at the top, and that's going to also help with keeping the upstairs warm once the ceiling is closed up. They applied the foam in bulk and then went in afterwards to smooth it out so that it's flush with the studs, so that they could apply drywall on top of it and it would line up nicely. So the overall application is pretty tidy. There's not like big gobs on the floor. There is a little bit on the wires, but we'll never see this. There's nothing inside the boxes, then there's lots of room around the boxes. This is one of the drawbacks of using spray foam, is that things like this, the wires become embedded into the wall, and if you want to do anything with them, it becomes quite difficult. If you want to run more wire, that is also difficult. We had a nice access here to the basement when we were running wires to do the electrical work in here, and that's gone now. Pretty short update today. Spray foam installation has been applied. In other news, we passed our electrical inspection. It was a paper-only inspection, so no visit was required, and I think the next step will be to start closing up some of these walls.